My Girl Scout Civil War Project tutorial on how to make a burrito pillowcase by Maya. My name is Maya B, and I am working on my Civil War. I am planning to make pillowcases for the Children's Hospital of Orange County, aka CHOC. What is the problem? The problem is that when children go to the hospital and they stay for a long time, their hospital rooms tend to be very dreary. They look dreary because they don't have many things from their house to keep them happy. When people are not happy, it can take them much longer to heal. What is my solution? I will make pillowcases with very pretty fabric that is bright and cheerful for the other girl patients. I have already picked out some nice fabric that is really fun and cute as well as cheerful. I hope that my pillowcases will make the rooms more happy. Also, I want them to know that someone cared enough to hand make something for them. This project will be able to be carried on by other Girl Scouts as well as other girls and adults because I will create and post a video that is step-by-step instructions on how to make these easy and really cool pillowcases. I hope that my Civil War project will bring smiles to the faces of young patients at CHOC. Why I chose this project? I chose this project because last year I was admitted into the hospital with a very severe MSG attack. I had to stay overnight, and even though my parents were with me, it was the scariest night of my life. It was even scarier than when I had to go to the hospital to get stitches in my head. I'm very thankful to CHOC for how much they helped me, and I want to do something in return. Materials. For this project, you will need sewing scissors, pins, a rotary cutter, thread to match your fabric, a sewing machine, and an iron and ironing board. Step 1. Choose fabric. Choose 3 different fabrics that go well with each other. To make one pillowcase, you will need 3/4 of a yard of the main fabric, 1/3 of a yard for the cut fabric, and 1/4 of a yard for the strip fabric. Here are my 3 fabrics. Step 2. Iron fabric. Iron out all the fabric so there are no wrinkles so that when you cut out your fabric, you have an accurate measurement. Step 3. Cut fabric. For the main fabric, cut one piece that is 27 by 40 inches. For the cut fabric, cut one piece that is 9 by 40 inches, and for the strip fabric, cut one piece that is 2 by 40 inches. Step 4. Iron fabric strip. This is what it looks like before ironing. After you cut out the strip, you have to iron it in half long ways so the wrong sides are together. This is what it will look like after ironing. Step 5. Lay out your fabric. First, lay out your cut fabric facing right side up. If it is a batik fabric, it doesn't really matter which side you place it. Next, lay your strip out on top of the cut fabric and make sure the edges are matched up. Then put your main fabric down the right side facing down. Then you have to roll the main fabric upward so it's only a few inches from the top and you see the bottom end of the cut fabric. Lastly, take the bottom end of your cut fabric and wrap it over the main fabric so the edges of all the fabrics are aligned. Step 6. Pin. Pin all of your pieces together that are in a roll. Step 7. Sew. Sew a straight seam with your presser foot aligned with the edge of the fabric at 1/4 of an inch. Step 8. Inside out. Inside out fabric and iron. Step 9. Pin. Put the wrong sides of the pillowcase together and pins the sides that are open closed. Step 10. Sew. Sew the sides you have just pinned until you have a completely closed pillowcase. Step 11. Inside out and iron. Inside out the pillowcases so the right sides are together. Then iron out your seams so the seams perfectly line up. Step 12. Sew. Sew a straight seam where you just sewed before, only this time sew 1/2 an inch. Inside out and you're done. Thanks for watching and enjoy your pillowcase.